Hi guys, welcome back to BENEVA'S Homestead. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be preparing a recipe in the slow cooker and it's called beef burgundy. Do you want to know what the best part of beef burgundy is? That's right, burgundy. Anyway, I'll see you in 5 seconds. I got this recipe out of this slow cooker cookbook that I found, and it's the Taste of Home. If it's a Taste of Home, you know all the recipes in here is going to be pretty decent. And I like the slow cooker because I know a lot of us are busy and we really don't have a lot of time, so we can prepare it and it's cooking while we're at work or away for the day. So the recipe, as I said before, is going to be burgundy beef. And let me read to you what the recipe says. On chilly days, it's a pleasure coming home to the savory pot roast bubbling in the slow cooker. The tender beef and vegetables and rich gravy are scrumptious over a bed of noodles. The ingredients for our beef burgundy today is going to be a half a pound of sliced fresh mushrooms, a half a pound of fresh baby carrots, 1 medium green pepper julienne, 1 boneless beef chuck roast, 2.5 pounds. Today I'm actually using a rump roast. 1 can 10 3/4 ounce condensed golden mushroom soup undiluted. A 1/4 cup of burgundy wine or beef broth. Today I'm going to be using Cabernet. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 envelope of onion soup mix. A 1/4 teaspoon pepper. 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of cold water, and hot cooked white egg noodles. If you wanted to convert this recipe to a low carb option, you can always use the rice cauliflower. I think that would be delicious. Let's get started preparing our beef burgundy. In a 5-quart slow cooker, we're going to combine the mushrooms, carrots, and green pepper. We're going to place the roast on top, and then in a small bowl, we're going to combine the soup, wine, Worcestershire sauce, soup mix, and pepper. And then we're going to pour that over the roast. Cover and cook on low for 8 to 9 hours or until the meat is tender. Then we're going to transfer the roast and vegetables to a serving platter and we're going to keep it warm. Strain the cooking juices and skim fat. Place in a large saucepan. Gradually stir into cooking juices, bring to a boil, and cook and stir for 2 minutes or until thickened. Serve with the beef, vegetables, and the noodles, or if you've chosen the rice cauliflower. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the beef burgundy recipe today. If you enjoyed it, I just encourage you to like and subscribe and share my videos, and I'll keep you updated. We'll be doing some more recipes out of this Taste of Home cookbook. And like I told you before, I'm so glad you're here. I love you guys. I want y'all to have a great day today. See you later. Bye.